Get excited about the 2020 Jeep Compass. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and remote keyless entry. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.